There's a lot going on in the broader financial market right now, and it could be very scary. Banks are collapsing here and there, and the future of the economy looks very scary. Interestingly, though, it seems that in all of this there could be a silver lining for the Shiba Inu. There could be something in all of this that would cause the sheep to lose zero. But you will have to keep watching the video to find out. Disclaimer before we get into the main news, let's quickly check out some Shiba Inu updates. Shiba Inu has been gaining more popularity with retail and whale investors alike, which may have something to do with the fact that Shiba Inu launched recently. But I guess we'll never really know. What we do know, though, is that the biggest whales in the cryptocurrency market have been scrambling to acquire the token. Recently, Whale Alert, the platform that tracks and reports on whale activities, published an update showing that an unknown wallet took more than 12 trillion sheep heads from crypto.com, which is worth around $135 million. Now, we really don't know why this wallet decided to move such a huge amount of tokens from crypto.com. However, unlike transferring tokens to an exchange, taking them out is usually a good sign. Watcher Guru gets it right when they write that moving assets off exchanges is always a positive sign because it shows investor confidence. In the long term, there's less chance of selling, and the move may inspire other investors to continue holding on. An ambiguous portfolio may belong to a group of wealthy people who anticipate price action. However, they also stated that there was still a high possibility that the move was just crypto.com moving the balance of sheep around. Remember that the wallet is anonymous. We don't know who owns the wallet, so it could be anyone, including crypto.com. I want to hear your thoughts on this, though. Is this a massive wallet trying to stock its sheep, or is it just crypto.com moving things around? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. Still the subject of crypto.com and the sheep movement, the cryptocurrency exchange moved about $269 million in sheep to a new address. And just to tell you just how massive this movement is, the new wallet is now the fourth largest Shiba Inu holder. Remember, this wallet was created with this movement. So with just one transaction, this new title managed to secure a place as the fourth largest holder of Shiba Inu. This is madness. Anyway, you might be wondering why crypto.com made this move. Well, while we don't know for sure if the previous transaction was the exchange company moving things around, we do know for sure that this particular move was crypto.com making its custody operations. They do this routinely as they try to rebalance their assets across a variety of new addresses. What is important is to maintain the safety and security of their wallets. So in case you were wondering, don't worry. You also don't have to worry about these movements affecting you in any way if you are a crypto.com user. Chris, CEO of crypto.com, posted this on his Twitter page as part of our regular custody processes to ensure continued safety and security. We will be rebalancing many assets across new addresses. This will have no impact on our customers, and we have updated our dashboard on Nansen for full transparency. No need to cheat. Thanks! If you found this really helpful, please leave a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, which helps me continue to increase the quality of my videos. Now to the main point of this video. I am sure you are aware of the crisis that was taking place in the financial market. Traditional banks were collapsing, including mega banks like Silicon Valley that few thought would fail. And when you compare the disaster in the banking sector to the crypto winter, the cryptocurrency market has actually been doing much better. This is probably why someone recommended the CEO of Binance to buy a bank, and Binance is not new to bailing out troubled financial institutions. The crypto platform is the largest in the world and has poured money in to save a number of other crypto platforms that have suffered. So if Binance decided to buy one of these struggling banks, it would venture into new territory. But it won't be completely new anyway. As I mentioned earlier, someone begged me on Twitter to literally go parabola to buy a bank. Even more interesting is the fact that the petition was submitted in response to a post made by Sissy, which appears to indicate his interest in the bank's collapse. But I will leave you to decide exactly what that interest is. Here is what Sissy wrote. Every decade or so, the same banks fail. We keep them alive. They then repeat more expensive each time. At the same time, it is very difficult for new banks to agree to enter the market to compete. New banks are also required to operate in the same way as old, failed banks. Free market. After reading what CC wrote, I don't know about you, but it doesn't seem to me that he's planning on buying one of these failed banks. But before we get into that, this channel is giving away daily giveaway 100,000 Shib for a chance to participate in the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. I miss Shiba Inu. Good luck! In that tweet, it actually appears that CC was pitching the idea of reviving those banks as they are on the right track to go down again. He seems to be fighting to get new banks allowed into the market, perhaps relaxing entry regulations a bit to make that possible. This is why he responded to the new banks, part of the comment asking him to buy a bank. He was apparently indicating to the owner of Twitter that the point of his post was not to buy a failed bank, but a call for the creation of new ones. CC also mentioned something about free markets. Could this be what he is calling for instead? Or is he already considering buying a failing bank like the one suggested by the Twitter user? Please share your thoughts on this in the comments section below. In any case, whether he decides to buy a failed bank or decides to start a new one, you can be sure that it will be big and will have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency market. As I mentioned earlier, and as we all know, Binance is the largest cryptocurrency company in the world. So the fact that it decided to take a trip to traditional banking will bring cryptocurrency a lot of publicity. People will definitely want to know what this company is about, and it will lead them to research cryptocurrency. Moreover, even those who already know about cryptocurrencies but are not yet an investor may be convinced to invest if Binance enters the traditional financial market. I mean, if a cryptocurrency company is prosperous enough to buy a traditional bank during a time like this, that might indicate to some people that the crypto market is more financially viable than they first thought, leading to them wanting to invest as well. But without a doubt, the biggest way that Binance can foray into the traditional financial market will be beneficial to the cryptocurrency market is for KSI to make concrete moves to attract people to the cryptocurrency market. He can do this by showing the benefits of cryptocurrency compared to the financial market, which seems reasonable considering how important Binance is to the cryptocurrency market. Even Binance would benefit from more people entering the cryptocurrency market, so it has some incentive to do so. But what do you think? Will Binance enter the traditional financial market? And if it does, how big is it relative to the cryptocurrency market? Please share your thoughts in the comments field below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's spread this news out there.